Hi, and welcome to Carolina Women. I am Debi Lynes, and we are here at CAV Integrated Homes. We're going to have a great show for you today. I'm really excited, I should say, and interested to introduce you three young men from Compass Studio. Really, you are a remodeling firm, kind of relocated. I have Tom, I have Jake, I have Nathan. Nathan has two children, so he's got the, you don't feel 100% today. It's always fun. You got one on the way, you will know soon.
Oh, I know.
And we're just here for the ride.
Yes, we are.
So I appreciate you joining us today. I'd really like to talk a little bit about the services that you offer at Compass Studio because, as you well know, in the Lowcountry here, lots of building going on.
Yes, there is.
So chat with us a little bit about you, Jake, and what you guys are doing. Not Jake, that's Jake. Yeah. With you, Tom.
Okay, so we offer full renovation remodeling services of any size. Could be a kitchen, a bathroom, all the way up to full home renovation, including additions and so forth. Mm-hmm. We work with the clients from initial meeting all the way through architecture, design, through permitting process, and all the way through to the closeout.
I know from being a designer, one of the biggest challenges clients often have are making selections. Mm-hmm. How do you work with subs? How do you work with selections and things like that?
Well, it depends if there's a designer involved in a project or not. Sometimes a client, elects to pick things out themselves, which is a little challenging. But we have a very disciplined process. We create a spreadsheet of all the selections. The project manager and myself work with the clients to work through those selections. Because what we try to do, our target is to have a very planned process and then a disciplined execution for the construction.
I love that. So streamlined so that everything is pretty well calibrated. Talk to us a little bit about what you love. You're both project managers.
Correct.
Maybe talk to us a little bit about one of the projects you're doing now or sort of what's fun or challenging about the job. And Jake, let's go ahead and start with you and then Nathan will get you.
Okay. One of my favorite projects, this was last year, we did a full kitchen remodel in Long Cove. Oh. And the client wanted something pretty special. He wanted all of his stone full height backsplash lit up completely.
Oh,
so
I love that.
We did a semi-precious transparent stone. And
like an onyx?
Yes,
Did
correct.
you do onyx? Okay.
And it was pre-lit from the bottom. We brought in our a stone company to come in, and they used special integrated LED lighting, matting along the tops of the counter, and on top of that lay the stone, and it lights up completely.
Do you find that I know for design for me, I get excited every time I'm with a client because everybody loves something different. Have you learned a lot also? Absolutely,
yeah, and that's something we specialize in is any niche, any sort of specific need you have, we cater to that.
I mean, I think that's incredible. How about a cool client that you've had?
We're converting an upstairs bonus room to it's sort of a guest suite but theater room as well. So it'll have a kitchenette, a separated kind of theater room,
right?
And then sort of an area around for entertainment, pool table.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
So that's pretty cool. Getting to do something unique at work is what I like.
Well, let me kind of bring it back to you, Tom, and ask how the process works. What can be helpful for clients when they come to you? In other words, is it helpful for you to know my budget? Is it helpful for you to kind of know, for lack of a better word, the flavor of what I want or how I'm going to use the space? Talk to me about that.
Oh, yes, absolutely. It's a big question that sometimes people don't want to answer. We like to ask, what is your budget?
Sure.
Do you have an idea where this is going to land? Because our job isn't to spend every dollar you have. Our job is to price it to what you're desiring.
That's right.
So to get through that conversation is very important in the beginning.
And I think it's amazing when we talk about that. I think what you said makes a lot of sense, and I think it would be fun to have you come back. It'd be fun to go visit some of the projects that you're doing too. Is I think knowing your budget. If I've got $50,000, great. If I've got $5,000, that's okay too. It just helps us determine the scope of the job. It's been great to talk about you. I hope you feel better. I hope you come back. 5 minutes goes really fast. Yes, but thank you for taking time out of your day. Again, Compass Studios. Stay with us. More to come here on Carolina Women.